my god, here we go. Here it is. Are you freaking kidding me right now? What is that?
It just popped out of the woods. It was red when it came out and now it's white.
Now it's going to turn red again. Now it's going to turn red.
Yeah, that's close. That's a lot closer than I thought.
My house. It's over my house. That's literally right over my house.
Oh no.
We have the pictures, like right over, like I live right there.
Do you have like a Ring camera or like security camera?
No, we just bought on my deck. Are you guys
wow.
the ones launching them? Now it's down. Now it's going down. Look.
Wait, what does it look like though?
It looks like a normal drone. Just looks enormous.
I can.
Oh yeah, you're one. It's coming this way. There's one behind it.
Three mystery drones in the air. This is wild. I was moving quick. What in the world is happening? What?
It's extremely low. It's loud.
It's really cute.
And it's huge.
It's so big. It looks so much closer in person.
Yeah, my camera doesn't do it. Looks like a spaceship, right? Like that doesn't look like a drone, right? That looks like a spaceship. It's like a small plane. It really is like a small plane.
It's crazy.
Oh my god.
They just keep coming.
These are all drones in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 right here.
Mysterious drones in South Jersey. They're down here now. Mysterious drones. These are military crafts. These are not extraterrestrials. They are not extraterrestrials. These are military craft. I'm looking at it, I hear it. That is a military craft. It's very low. See how low it is. There's something moving through the clouds. These are military crafts, the drones that are being seen in North Jersey. I'm here in Bridgeton, New Jersey. And yeah, now the drones are down here. They are not extraterrestrial. They are military complex, black projects, special interest contractors. These are not extraterrestrial. Just a reminder, Orson Welles' War of the Worlds radio broadcast took place in New Jersey. They're doing a really bad job at staging an alien invasion. That's not the case. I don't know what we have coming over here. I'm just gonna record it just in case. I just don't know what's gonna happen anymore. Oh, this sucker is loud. Holy smokes. Yeah, that thing I recorded before, that's a helicopter. That's a helicopter. The same night, the same conditions. So just to compare, the thing I saw before, it didn't sound like that, and it was the exact same place, except it went off that way a little bit. It's good for reference.
We shouldn't be outside for this.